What is assistive technology? Well, you've probably seen someone in a wheelchair. Maybe your grandparents have hearing aids. Maybe you wear glasses. All of this is an example of assistive technology. So, what is it? Assistive technology is the use of tools, devices, software in order to live out your daily life without that impediment from before. Assistive tech can be as simple as something like a pencil grip to help somebody with lack of fine motor skills write their name down on a piece of paper. Assistive tech can also be something like an augmentative alternative communication device, or AAC device, which Goalie has on our daily skills system, where kids tap on symbols and it represents words, and they're able to communicate through that. So let's look into some examples of different types of assistive technology, and maybe you've heard of a few of these. So there's things called mobility aids, and that can be anything from a cane to a wheelchair to even crutches when you break an ankle. All of that is assistive tech. Think about it as a way to help you get around for your mobility purposes, and therefore it's a mobility aid. There's things called communication aids, whether that is visual cue cards that hold up and represent words, or our AAC talker on our daily skills system tablet. All of these help children or people with disabilities communicate their thoughts and share their experiences with the world. Without some of these technologies, we might never know what's going on in their mind, and they wouldn't be able to express that. There's visual aids, so whether you're on a computer and you need to increase the text size so you can read it better, or you use a magnifying glass, or maybe you just have some glasses that you need to put on when you're reading. Those are visual aids and pieces of assistive tech. Without those, you'd be struggling to get the things done that you need to do. We also talked about hearing aids already. Hearing aids are great for those who are struggling to hear the things around them. And by not hearing things around you, you're totally removed from your environment. So without some of this assistive tech, people would really be struggling to interact with the world and express their feelings, emotions, thoughts, whatever it may be. One of the coolest pieces of assistive technology, in my opinion, is adaptive switches. If you've ever seen somebody who's playing video games who might not have any hands, and maybe they're using their mouth to control the video game, well, that's an example of this assistive switches that are adaptive switches that can be used to help people experience everything that we can. If your child's struggling with something like hearing or reading or playing video games, it might be worth it to look into some of these assistive technologies. Talk to a medical professional. Sometimes these are covered by insurance, or if you're a part of an ESA program, you can buy it on a marketplace like Goalie. We're approved in tons of different states for an autism diagnosis with your child. Now, the cost of assistive tech can vary. Some companies decide to make their technology extremely expensive, like AAC devices that are done through insurance plans. Those can cost anywhere from a few $1,000s to like $10,000. Whereas a Goalie tablet, you can get for about $369 and a year of free subscription. So the cost of assistive tech can really vary. I mean, it can be as simple as a piece of paper that you print out, and that probably costs what, 30 cents, $1? So really use the tools that you have available, and then start to realize, okay, there's this product out there that might help my child with this specific thing. Maybe we can get that. Maybe there's a marketplace that we can get funds for, and then go purchase that through there. It's really important to look into the different types of assistive technology that can benefit your child's development. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As always, check out the best daily skills system and kids tablet at getgoalie.com. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below. If we missed anything, we'd love to make another video. So just let us know, guys. Thank you.
Did that help you understand the term? If yes, give us a thumbs up or subscribe below. If it didn't, then leave us a comment and tell us why. What are we missing? We always want to do better. This is a project by Goalie. Check us out at getgoalie.com.